Hi, everyone. Hey, guess what's happening on September 30th, 2021? So September 30th of this year, what is happening? Why am I making a video for this date? Well, guess what? The South Coast AQMD has a new requirement for ultra-low NOx emission that will apply to all weatherized furnace in their territory. So that's a big deal. And so this will apply to all the rooftop that are 5 ton and below for single phase and 3-phase, and of course with gas heating. So after this date, after September 30th of this year, SCAQMD, South Coast AQMD, will not accept any installation of standard low NOx. So we have heard and we have seen the low NOx for quite a while now. Now we're stepping it up. So we're going from low NOx to ultra low NOx for everything that is what? 5 ton and below only. Okay, and they will not have any sell-through period for the manufacturers with existing stock. So what does that mean to you? It means that you need to start specifying those units now, because if you specify the other one that you've been doing, it will not meet that requirement. So we don't want to have any engineer be in trouble, and we want to make sure that you're aware before. So let me show you what is the South Coast AQMD territory, so you know what where those units would apply. So the South Coast Air Quality Management District, if you look at the map here, it's basically the green line. You see all the way LA County right there. It cuts and it goes horizontally, goes by the legend here, Riverside County, San Bernardino a little bit, Riverside County back here. Just you can see that it's at the border of San Diego County. Go back here, all the way from the coast and going back to around Thousand Oaks. So this is the map for the South Coast Air Quality Management District. So if you have any project that is located inside that district, well, this requirements apply for the ultra low NOx. Now, let me show you on our website where you can find the new units. So you have the information where to specify it. So when you go to the resin.net, you can click on equipment. And then where do you go? You go to gas electric rooftop packets, right? And then if you want to go and specify the typical unit that you usually go with, like the ZJ 037 to 061, the 3 to 5 ton, we put a little red note that says here, use ZYG for ultra low NOx option. So you just go back up to here, ZYG 0406, 3 to 5 ton. And you have the technical guide right here and the cut sheet, okay? Now for the residential, the unit that you can use for the ultra low NOx is the PCG4. And actually doing this video, I realized that we don't have a note. So I will make sure that we had a note here. We add a note here so you guys know to use that unit. So that's pretty much it. Don't forget, September 30th of this year is where these new requirements will go. So please make sure you specify those units right now for commercial ZYG 3 to 5 ton only, single phase, 3-phase, residential PCG4. Okay? And I will, if you have any question, let us know. I will also attach a letter to this video. Thank you. Bye.